Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, a tune-up, to order new parts. When you come to CarPros Kia for service or maintenance, we strive to get your repairs done right the first time. From oil changes to transmission replacements, our factory-trained technicians are dedicated to maintaining top-tier customer service for all of our customers. Visit us at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, order parts. Check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. Find out about our internet specials. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.